I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by linking responses to Google Sheets so you can manipulate raw data. This gives you a reproducible source. Once done, scan headers and timestamps to ensure each question maps to a column, then delete any blank or obvious test rows. Next, create new columns for cleaned variables like numeric ID, normalized text responses, and consistent date formats. Make sure to freeze the header row for easier navigation. These preparations speed analysis and prevent mistakes in later steps. Now focus on transforming messy entries into analysis-ready values. Apply trim and lower to text, date value for dates, and value for numeric strings so calculations work. Once those conversions are complete, map categorical answers to numbers. For example, convert a 5-point Likert into 1-5, and bin continuous variables like ages into groups. Also split multi-select answers into separate flag columns. Finally, use filters and conditional formatting to spot anomalies. This makes creating pivot tables and charts much faster and more reliable. Finish by summarizing with pivot tables and charts to reveal counts, means, and crosstabs across segments you care about. Once the visuals are created, perform a quick quality check. Sample raw rows and compare aggregate totals to the original response count to catch dropped or duplicated entries. If everything matches, export summary tables to CSV or PDF for sharing, and save a cleaned master copy along with a brief change log describing edits. If totals mismatch, recheck filters and hidden rows as the first troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.